Hi, Alex. I am happy you showed up. Can we practice phrasal verbs for daily English today?
Hi, Sophia. Yes, we can go over them slowly. We will use easy words and real situations.
Thank you. I hear people say wake up and get up, and I mix them up. What is the difference?
Good question. You wake up when you stop sleeping and open your eyes. You get up when you leave the bed and stand up.
So first I wake up, then I get up. After I get up, I put on my clothes and I get ready. I feel more awake.
Exactly. You can also say, I get dressed after you get up. Then you can head out for school or work.
In the morning, I turn on my phone and check my messages. At night, I should turn it off, but I forget. Then I wake up too late.
Turn on and turn off are very common. You can use them for lights, TV, and the air conditioner too. If you forget, set up an alarm to remind you.
Set up an alarm. That is helpful. When I leave my apartment, I lock up the door and check it again. It helps me calm down.
Great. Lock up means close and lock, and check or double check means look again. Calm down means feel less worried.
On my way here, I ran into my neighbor. We talked a little, and then I hurried off. I was afraid to be late.
Nice use. Run into means meet by chance, and hurry off means leave quickly. You can also say, I had to rush off.
Now I want to sit down and relax. I like to look out the window and watch people. It helps me slow down.
Sit down and look out are good ones. You can also look around when you check the room. In a new place, people often look around first.
Sometimes the shop is full and I look for a seat. If I cannot find one, I feel like giving up. But I should keep on looking.
Yes. Look for means search, and find is when you get it. Give up means stop trying, and keep on means continue.
When I do not know a word, I look it up on my phone. I also write it down in a small notebook. Later, I read it again.
Perfect. Look up is for information, and write down is for notes. If you read your notes again, you can build up your vocabulary.
Build up means make it stronger over time, right? I want to build up my listening skill too. I listen every day on my way to class.
Yes, that is right. Build up works for skills, confidence, and even savings. Small practice every day really adds up.
In class, my teacher tells me to speak up. I feel shy, but I try to speak up anyway. My friends cheer me on.
Great. Speak up means talk louder or share your idea. Cheer on means support someone with kind words.
After class, I hang out with friends. We meet up at a park and we talk about our plans. Then we clean up and go home.
Very natural. Hang out means spend relaxed time together, and meet up means meet at a place. Clean up means make the area tidy again.
At home, I pick up my clothes from the floor and put them away. My brother leaves things out, and my mom gets upset. She tells him to put things away too.
That happens in many homes. Pick up means lift and collect, and put away means return to the right place. Leave out means not putting it where it belongs.
When my mom gets upset, my brother tries to make up for it. He helps out in the kitchen and takes out the trash. After that, things work out.
Nice. Make up for means do something good after a mistake. Help out means give help, and take out means remove, like trash. Work out means end well or become better.
In the kitchen, I cut up vegetables and heat up soup. Then I fill up my bowl and sit down to eat. Simple food makes me feel good.
Great daily verbs. Cut up is cut into small pieces, and heat up is make warm. Fill up means make full, like a bowl or a bottle.
Sometimes we run out of milk. Then I go out and pick up some at the store. I try to plan ahead so it does not happen often.
Run out of is very useful, and pick up can mean buy and bring back. Plan ahead means think and prepare before you need something. You can also make a list.
I make a list and check off items when I buy them. In the store, I look around for good prices. If I need help, I ask a worker to point out the best choice.
Excellent. Check off means mark as done. Point out means show or tell something important. Asking for help is normal, so do not feel shy.
Sometimes my card does not go through when I pay. I try again and it goes through the second time. That problem stresses me out.
Yes, go through can mean succeed or be accepted, like a payment. When you feel stress, take a slow breath and calm down. You can also ask the cashier to check it again.
When I study, I cut down on social media. But sometimes I put off my homework and waste time. I want to stop putting it off.
Good awareness. Cut down on means do less of something. Put off means delay. So stop putting it off is perfect.
If I start late, I feel tired and I want to lie down. But if I lie down, I may fall asleep. Then I wake up and feel angry at myself.
That is true for many people. Lie down is rest on a bed or sofa, and fall asleep is start sleeping. If you need rest, set up a short timer and get up when it rings.
In the evening, I wind down with a book. I turn down the lights and turn off my phone. Then I drift off and sleep well.
Wind down is great for relaxing after a busy day. Turn down means make something lower, like lights or volume. Drift off means fall asleep gently.
In the morning, coffee helps me perk up. If my friend calls, I sometimes cannot pick up. Then I call back later and say sorry.
Perfect. Perk up means become more awake or cheerful. Pick up can mean answer the phone, and call back means return the call.
If my friend is sad, I tell her not to give up. I also tell her to reach out to me anytime. It feels good to be there for her.
That is kind. Give up means stop trying, and reach out means contact someone for help or support. Those are very useful in real life.
When I do not understand, I ask questions and find out the meaning. I also look words up and write them down. I feel like I am picking up English faster now.
Yes, find out means discover information. Pick up means learn something naturally over time. The more you listen, the more you pick up.
Next month, I will travel, and I feel excited. At the hotel, I will check in and drop off my bag. Then I will go out and look around the city.
Great travel verbs. Check in is for hotels and flights, and drop off means leave something at a place. Look around means explore and see what is there.
If I get lost, I might freak out for a moment. But I will calm down and ask someone to point me in the right direction. I will also check it over on my map.
Good plan. Freak out is informal, but people use it often. And calm down is simple. Check it over means review again to avoid mistakes.
Also, I want to ask about clothes. In winter, I put on a jacket, and at home, I take it off. Are put on and take off correct?
Yes, very correct. Put on means wear something like a jacket or shoes. Take off means remove it from your body.
When I go shopping, I try on a dress in the fitting room. If it looks good, I buy it and bring it back home. If not, I put it back.
Great. Try on means wear something for a short time to see if it fits. Bring back means return with it, and put it back means return it to the place.
Sometimes I cannot choose, so I ask my friend to help me pick out a color. She points out what looks nice on me. That makes it easier.
Nice use. Pick out means choose from many options, and look nice on me is a simple, natural phrase for clothes.
At home, I look after my little sister for an hour. I make sure she does not fall down, and I play with her. My mom can go out and relax.
That is great responsibility. Look after means take care of someone. You can also say, I take care of my sister, and both are common.
Sometimes my friends drop by my place after school. We talk for a bit and then they head out. I like short visits like that.
Yes, drop by means visit for a short time without a big plan. And head out means leave and go somewhere. These are very useful for daily life.
Alex, can we sum it up before we go? I want to take away the main phrasal verbs from today. Then I can practice them tomorrow.
Sure. Take away means what you remember after a lesson. Today you used wake up, get up, turn on, turn off, look for, look up, write down, put off, and calm down.
I will keep on practicing and not give up. I will speak up more, and I will hang out with English videos every day. Thank you for helping me out.
You are welcome, Sophia. Keep at it, and you will pick it up step by step. Let's meet up again soon and go over more phrasal verbs.